Rp2 by Alia is a product designed to centralize all the data linked with a company's organizational structure, including corporate functions, persons, assigned roles, and relevant tasks. Thanks to a very straightforward, intuitive interface, it's possible to draw a company's organizational chart in no time at all. Rp2, however, is not just a tool designed to draw organizational charts. This product also allows the data contained in Rp2 and any documents loaded on the SharePoint platform to be associated. A document management dashboard will make it possible to automatically view all the documents relating to a specific role, function, or person. This short tutorial has been prepared to show you practical applications of the main functions of Rp2, starting from the data entry function. As you can see in the example, we have first of all entered the functions making up the organizational structure of the company, which, for the sake of convenience, we will call my company SPA. Moving on to the next tab, we have added a few roles connected with the previous functions within the company. As you can see in the screen page, we entered the roles of Marketing Director, Sales Director, Administrative Director, and Production Director. To be able to use Rp2, it's necessary to have a list of company's employees and consultants. In this case, we have used two fictitious names, Tom Green and John Smith, both employed by my company SPA. After entering this complete information, the Association tab can be used to associate the various pieces of information contained in Rp2. In this case, we have associated the role of the Sales Director with the Sales function, the role of Administrative Director with the Administrative function, and so on. We then proceeded by carrying out association between persons and roles, and more specifically, we associated the role of Marketing Director with John Smith and the role of the Sales Director with Tom Green. After completing the required data association, the actual organizational chart can be created. As you can see, it's a very simple operation, based on the drop-in logic. In order to draw an organizational chart, it's enough to drag company functions from the left-hand box to the right-hand box, according to a classic tree configuration. Note that we have entered the SEO as the main function, followed by all the employees as the other subordinate company functions. The sales function is shown as a subordinate to the marketing function, and the financial services department is shown as subordinated to the administration department. It's now possible to view the organizational chart that has just been drawn according to our configuration. In the marketing and sales function boxes are the names of Tom Green and John Smith, thanks to the association between roles and persons that we have just created. The main screen page shows the organizational chart after configuration completion. Inside the boxes, the name of the person in that specific position will be shown. By clicking on the special arrow in the box, it will be possible to view all the details for that person. The personal details include the date of birth, date of hiring, contract last date, type of contract, qualification, department and employment province. We are now going to view at last the main functions of Rp2. The document management dashboard enabling associate one person or one role with a document previously uploaded to a document library in SharePoint. In the example, we want to associate the document newsletter containing the editorial plan of communication to customers with the role of marketing director, which, as we've seen, is held by Tom Green within my company SPA. After completing the association, Tom Green, upon accessing his document management dashboard, will be able to view the recently associated document and will be automatically informed of any marketing communications to customers. The screen page shows Tom Green's document management dashboard. The main box contains a list of all documents associated with Mr. Green in his capacity as the sales director.